From this preferred side entrance, we are greeted right away by her only pet, this Mark Chatterley sculpture. At our very first meeting, when we discussed her design preferences, Frances was very clear about wanting a minimalist house and very neutral colors. Dusting was not on her list as a priority. Looking to the right, we see the living room, dining room combination. The living room is long and narrow and required several layouts on paper before I arrived at the plan you see here. When Frances entertains, it is for no more than 4 or 5 people. So we centered this seating grouping around the fireplace, and it acts as a focal point for this long room, giving it separate spaces for dining, seating, and this desk/console table in this area. As you will see throughout, those neutral colors she wanted are a good foil for her colorful paintings and other art, like this Ben Owen bowl. The rugs in this area are all Nepalese wool and silk, and we had them custom made for her. As you notice, they're all neutral colors, but in spite of the way they may seem, they're all different. The bench here, this very special bench, can be taken into the seating grouping to be the 5th seat. Of course, you can always bring up the dining chairs to be other seats for that grouping.